There is nothing more important than the integrity and the professionalism of the bail agent. The people that we deal with are in such a vulnerable position. If I'm talking to this wife and I tell her that you've got to give me your firstborn, she's probably likely to do so simply because she's got to get her husband out of custody. To be honest and fair and deal with her on that level is just so terribly important. And that's something that we stress, in our office. We're also a member of Expert Bail, and this is a nationwide organization where there are agents all across the country that have sworn to handle the people with integrity, to be honest in their dealings, and it's really a wonderful organization, and, Expert Bail is something very special. We're there basically to help. This is a service organization. If people have questions, maybe there's nobody in jail. Maybe you just want to know something. Maybe something might be happening in the future. We're happy to help people. We do that a great deal of the time.
If you're in jail, you can't really mount much of a defense. You can't look at what the situations are that you're facing. And the opportunity of being out, but being out in a way that you can still be held accountable, and that's what the process that this goes through, is a way of allowing our legal system to operate. And that is a very positive function.
You really hit the nail on the head. When someone is in custody, they can't help their lawyer. They can't come up with evidence. They can't say, these charges are not true. They really have to be out. And there's another side to this, too. We are guaranteed that there will be no excessive bail, that no one, not an innocent person, has to be punished. And what you're doing is, if you keep a person in custody while they are innocent, and they certainly are innocent until they come up before the court, you are punishing an innocent person. And our Constitution will not allow that. I believe it's the Eighth Amendment that says, that's not going to happen.
No excessive bail, cruel or unusual punishment is the Eighth Amendment.